why do I do this to my YouTube channel, right? I've been busy. I'm gonna vlog up my day and show you. Oh, here's the hair, guys. I still have some good growth. I just washed it. Still a little balding right there. Let me show you the top. That's what the top looks like. Remember, I always have the problem with my crown right here. So I might be talking funny because I've been Invisalign. Hold on, a story with that. So yeah, I'm gonna get you guys together for those who cares about this alopecia journey and what I've been sharing on this channel. Okay, so we're going to go to the store for this. Actually, I'm putting a little lotion. So hold on a sec. Hold on. How do you pause this? So I'm gonna put these earrings on. Look at these earrings right here. I'm gonna do a review on these earrings for this girl. I bought it from her shop. She handmade these. She kind of paint them on, and they're like one of a kind. And how I found this girl, oh, so much. I've been busy. I've been online. If for those of you guys who don't, look at my, oh, I gotta put on some chapstick, honey. Oh my God, Sabrina, you look a hot mess trying to talk to the people. Let me put on. Honey. Better. No, I've never worn these. So look at these. Ooh, too much light. Look at these earrings right here. I'm gonna do a review for these girls. I love them. This is gonna look good with my little afro wig. Ooh, that's so cute. I love it. So how I found this girl, I'm gonna be talking a little like, I have Invisalign, but let me clean this thing here. When you buy earrings and stuff, there's a little tea tree oil. I always have oil. Tea tree oil, and wipe these earrings down before you put in your ear, right? So I didn't try them on. They're just my kind of stuff, you know? My kind of earrings, honey. So what I was saying is I have an Etsy shop and I have another YouTube channel and I have a school community where I kind of teach people about side hustle, honey. My side hustle is that I make digital products and ooh, they're great. Big. But it's gonna look good once I have more volume on my head. Like picture it with a big afro, put it on later. Good. Alright? So I'm all over the place here, guys. So you know I've been missing on this channel because I've been busy kinda ooh, honey. Let's see, honey. Ooh, they're huge. Aren't they cute? I love them. Love it. So this girl, so I have an Etsy shop. So this girl came into my Etsy shop and she bought some of my artwork. So on my Etsy shop, I have a oh God, you're coming with me. We're vlogging for the day. I'm picking up carbs. So I have some artwork all created by AI, right? I took a class on how to use AI. And a lot of people's like, what do you mean you took a class? You just write to the bot and ask the bot question. That is true. But anywho, I created a whole Etsy shop with some wall art, with Afrocentric wall art. Look right here. That's from my shop, honey. Love it. Love it. So, hold on again. So, I got it on a tripod so I talk on outside, honey. And I'm going out just like this. Washed it. Ooh, your girl still have hair on her head. You know, for those of you guys know how far I'm coming, I still have some spot, but long way, honey. We come a long way. Ooh, look at this. All right, let's get a shoe. And I'm going outside. Where's that? Okay, I think I'm wearing this, guys. These are the shoes we're gonna wear. So what shoes to wear? I'm gonna wear these shoes. These shoes, I love these shoes because they're platform. Oh, cute. So we're coming with me, vlogging my day. And I'm gonna do my hair. I was gonna put some braids in it, but see how these shoes make me talk, right? Let me show you my outfit. So we're going to the store, honey. To the store. We're going to the store, honey. I used to vlog a lot. Nobody cares about vlogging, but I'm doing it. So we're going to the store. Basically to get me some Vaseline. Outfit right here. See it? This is what I'm wearing, honey. This is what I'm wearing. Yep, this is what we're wearing. To the car now. Let's head out to the car. Ooh, I have a list of stuff. Yeah. So yeah, back to this girl. So this girl, she found me on Etsy and she wanted to use some of the artwork that I have on my page there over on Etsy if she need commercial use to use it. And I'm like, no, honey, do whatever you want with it. So she was telling me that she makes she's saying she makes one-of-a-kind earrings and she wants to use my artwork for some inspiration to make some earrings. So I was like, sure. You can see that in the back there. Oh, Lord, let me put this in here. We're in the car. Oh, wait, let me hang you up in here, honey. Wait a minute. Let's put you up in here. Okay, we're in the car. Turn the car on. We're turning on the car. So, that's me about it. So she emailed me on Etsy, and she said, hey, you know, blah, blah, blah. She makes earrings, yada, yada, yada. She went and bought a bunch of my art that I created through AI, and I have them on my Etsy shop. And she created, not a lot, but she created like 3. She bought like 4 of my black and white affirmation posters. Oh, this is going to fall. Oh, honey. I have an issue with my garage door. When I press it, it doesn't go down. I have to press it like 100 times. What the heck? Oh my God. Why do that? Okay, it's going down. It's going down. Yeah, so she bought like 3 or 4 of the print that she wants to make earrings. So I was like, no. And she wants to know if she could use any commercial use. Does she need a commercial license from me because she wants to sell it? I told her, no, do whatever you want with it. Right? And that's a real business girl right there. She don't just scour the internet. So it's a good thing I'm going to TJ Maxx. Well, it's not Burlington. I'm going to Burlington Coat Factory because I have one right by my house here. So I'm going over there. I'm going to need one of those little for my dashboard because damn, that's broken. See, this is why I don't get to talk to you guys. So now I got you down here. Different angle. All right, so this girl, I'm going to review this earring for her because she's so nice, you know, because she patronized my shop. One of a kind, yada, yada, yada. I was like, okay, cool. I said, send me your shop. I'll patronize your shop. Which I did. You know, that's what you do. You patronize people. So she sent me her store, and she make earrings like these. And it's so cute. I like it. And I'm going to do a review for her. She didn't ask, but I know how good, you know, I know how beneficial it can be to review somebody's product. So I just washed my hair, and I'm going to put on like a big afro, and I'm going to snap a picture, and I'm going to send it to her. I have been doing my little side hustle. I have a school community, and what school is, it's like a platform where you can create communities. Guys, this is what it is now. Communities is the thing. People are just making communities now. There's some communities that are free, and you just, you know, for things that you're interested in. So my little spiel that I'm doing, I'm big on the side hustle. I'm telling people to start a side hustle before you need it. Like if you work a 9 to 5, now's the time to start a side hustle. And not just any side hustle. The side hustle that I'm preaching for you to do is things that you love to do. A passion project, you know, something that's fun. And I love what I do. I like teach. I like digital product. I'm like obsessed with Canva. So I'm like a master Canva user now. I've taught myself so many things on how to make certain things in Canva. I can make calendars, like journals, and then with the boom of AI, shit is easy now, guys. So I love it. So I've been doing that, and I teach people how to do it. My community, it's not $5. I charge $5 to come up in my community because, honey, I be giving y'all the gems, honey. And yeah, so that's what I want. I want to create a community of people who are doing side hustle that work 9 to 5. So that's what I've been. And then I have another YouTube channel where I do tutorial just talking about how to do different side hustle. That's the thing. So this is why I haven't been really doing anything on this channel, which is horrible because this is my real channel. This is how I started off on YouTube, is talking about my traveling and my alopecia journey, honey. And yeah, and I think some of the time I share with you guys that talking about my alopecia, it's like a challenge. I mean, I hate talking about hair. You know, it's a little emotional. I'm over it now. You know, I'm kind of over it now, but you know, sometimes I do get a little burnt out from talking about my hair sometimes because, I mean, look at me. Look how I'm going in these streets. I'm going in these streets with my hair looking like this, honey. And I don't even do my hair. I wear a hat every day or a scarf. This is why I like this earring, because this is literally me. Every day, all day, even at work. So I'm fortunate enough that I could wear a darn head wrap to work and a hat. So I'm grateful for that, you know. So yeah. And so today I said I need to do a vlog and tell the people what I've been up to, honey. What I've been up to. So guys, write in a comment, and if you have any question for me about my hair journey. And, you know, I'm doing the same thing. At least I try. You know, I still take the pumpkin seed oil. I still try to heavily do low inflammation diet. You know, I'm big on knowing what's inflammation. What food are high in inflammation. This is like my thing now. Sometimes I can't even look at a food like, the inflammation, honey. So, yeah. So, all right, right, guys, so I am going to make this turn, and that's Burlington. It's not Coat Factory anymore. It's just outright Burlington. So we're going into Burlington, and I'm literally going in to get some Vaseline. I'm out of Vaseline because I use Vaseline more than I do lotion on my leg stuff. Ugh. I live out here in California. Water sucks. California water is so hard. It's like it leaves like little white marks on your skin when you take a shower. Ooh, it's an parking lot for the girl, but that's all right.
Welcome to Burlington. We're controlling store entry to improve security and to give you a better shopping experience.
Okay. Thank you. What I came in here for? Vaseline, honey. We coming for Vaseline. Why am I pulling a cart? You never know. You might see some stuff you like. Yes, honey. Ooh, look at this here. Ooh, look, just like shoes that I don't need it. Don't need it. Stay focused, Sabrina. Stay focused. Vaseline. This is where I buy my Vaseline because they be having good Vaseline. Ooh, shea butter. This black soap. Ooh, Bentana oil. Scalp oil. Ooh, Bentana oil. Oh, I like that. Rosemary. Ooh, here they go, honey. Ooh, they don't have the fancy one, but okay. $3 what we want, so we gonna get two. Don't have to come back. Ah, they used to have Vaseline with the cocoa butter in it. Oh, that was probably TJ Maxx. I got that cocoa butter. All right, guys. I literally came for that. I'm leaving. We walking out. Okay, guys. So I am back from the store, and I'm just gonna braid my hair back. Right? Just like I'm gonna do 4 braids because all I do is wear wigs. I wear Afro wig. This here really detangle hair like this, honey. So I'm going to use this to detangle this. And then I'm going to put this in my hair. Jamaican black castor oil. It softened my hair a lot. So yeah. So I'll be back with you guys once I, what is that? Ooh, gray hair, honey. Ooh, the gray is real, honey. Look at that. Oh, yeah, girl. Ooh, see, you can see a spot. See? It's another little spot right there. So guys, I do still get little spots in my hair. So there's one right there. It's all over my head. All over the head. But because my hair is so dense, you can't see it. I could wear like a little fro and you can't see it. Alrighty. Alright, so I'll be back. Ooh, I should use my massager. So guys, so this is it. Oh! Listen, let me apologize because I'm literally looking at myself because I flipped the phone around so I could look at this earring. Oh, I just love it. Tell me that is not off the chain. It's so cute. I like whimsical stuff. Isn't that nice? So cute. It is so cute. So I'm going to take a picture of this and I am going to tag her on Instagram. Yes. So see, I showed you in the beginning of this vlog that the hair is still flourishing. I still do have some scarring in my hair, but because of the density of my hair, you cannot see the balding spots. As I showed you like in the front where I'm having some scarring. And for those of you guys who don't know, my name is Sabrina and I was diagnosed with scarring alopecia. So scarring alopecia is a type of alopecia that scarred the scalp. And they said that once the hair start to scar, that the hair will never grow back. But I was able to prove that my hair did grow back because I had this really big spot in my hair and it grew back. And again, I'm repeating what I did. I really think the pumpkin seed oil helped me. And I changed my diet where I was eating low inflammation diet. I still do it. Low inflammation food. Check out this artwork right here that I give away for free on this channel. I have it in my Etsy shop, but you can get it over here on Beacons and it's for free for all you alopecia girlies. And someone actually bought that piece of artwork on my Etsy shop and gave it a nice review. She told me that she presented to her sister and her sister cried. Oh my God, that is the best review ever. And I'm giving it to you guys for free. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and I am going to be present more on this channel. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Peace out.